Another day, y'all. Where did we leave off? Yesterday, I took two 2x4s at 70 inches and then two more at 53 inches and squared them up to be the frame for the mattress. I also took some 16-foot boards that were 1x6, cut them into 56-inch pieces, and those are going to be the supports for the mattress on top. I also cut one 4x4 post into 24-inch pieces, and that will be for the legs of the bed. Now, since the legs in the front are going to be inset a little bit because of the wheel wells in the van, I'm going to also put some triangle supports in the corners of the mattress or of the frame. That way, it has more support on the corners and it won't shift because we won't have both sides of the post to hold it. It's good that it's getting overcast right now, but I still want to wait a little bit longer to do all the bed work because we're going to be in and out of the van, because some of the stuff I have to build directly in the van because it will not fit diagonal and out. I have to design some of the bed outside of the van and then finish it off inside the van. I have to put together some of the pieces outside and then move those pieces inside the van and start building the bed inside the van, because the size is too great to go through any of the openings throughout the van. Like, wood does not bend around corners, apparently. Oh, last night I went to Hobby Lobby and Walmart to price fabrics because we're making backings for my blackout curtains. And I noticed when I was driving up there, I had full battery charge because the solar charger was charging the batteries all day. But one of the problems being is when I came back home, I ignored the batteries. I came out later to the van, tried to start the fan or do anything, and the batteries were completely dead. So there is something totally wrong with my batteries, and I can't wait. I should have my new battery by Monday, fingers crossed, and then we'll further diagnose some battery problems. I don't know if I'm getting full power from both my solar panels, so one of the things I have to do, if I could get the batteries working just for a test, I want to see if I could separate the two panels and see which one or both of them are damaged, because if I'm not getting equal amperage or voltage from both those panels, then I know one might be worse than the other. And this is all relation to the accident that stretched my solar panels a bit. Just did a test by disconnecting one solar panel and putting that on by itself, see if I was getting the right voltages, and then I did it to the other panel. Both panels actually seem like they're working okay right now. So with the sun that I'm getting right now, I'm getting like 19 volts from each panel. Seems okay. It's just the batteries that aren't pulling the right amount of amperage, because the solar controller probably thinks the batteries are full. Batteries are defunct. I know it's not the BMS because I disconnected the BMS before, and the batteries still seem to behave just by themselves the same way. So I think the batteries are just shot. Good thing that in about 4 days my new batteries will be here, or the new battery, the 200 amp Chins battery. I'll put a link to the battery below this video, but I'm hoping that it's a great battery. Will Prowse on his channel talked nothing but praise to it. Amazon has 5 stars for the battery, so it should be pretty good. Yeah, I'll see. Well, I'm currently in my van right now. I'm driving to Lowe's for L brackets and screws, and also Walmart because I need to get something from the grocery area. At Lowe's, and you can see we're in rain again. I know I delayed my bed frame assembly, but yeah, I didn't expect it to rain today. It's really coming down. Well, at least I can check for leaks right now. Okay, back by that back window. On the right side there, I could see one drop coming through on the upper rubber part. And I could see a couple drops there. Over on the other side, not so much yet. And I notice I have a crack in that door right now because it didn't shut properly. So I know that's where I'm getting leaks too. And I could also see up on the top of the molding of the door there, it looks like 2 drops of water. So there's something coming through there too. So I really got to solve those problems in the upcoming week. Another glance, those aren't drops of water, it's just paint or rivets or something. But yeah, I do see that I do have a sealant problem on that side door. So I gotta figure that out. But it's good that there are no roof leaks. Now I do have all the equipment to reseal my windows in the back, but I've been waiting for the perfect day to do that. And obviously, today's not that day. After looking at the side door, I actually slammed it and sure enough, it sealed properly. So maybe the problems in the past was the door wasn't shut properly. You can see right there a drip coming down between the second and third screws of that window. So that shows you I do have to seal that one up too. All right, here's the skinny. I tried to do a lot of the mattress or the frame today. And if we look right now, like I did some like angle pieces there, some support system, and some posts and stuff like that. But a lot of it has to be built in the van. And it's getting a little dark and I have to empty out the van in order to put the stuff or to build the stuff in there. So I'm gonna end the video here. I know there wasn't a lot of content here, but I did get the screws and the ankle brackets and all that stuff. It's just gonna be wrestling with this frame inside the van. But when I do that, you'll be here knowing about it first, I promise you. I hope you subscribe to my videos. I hope you like my videos and also comment if you have any comments. I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy it.